Hello again guys, welcome to a new video, and we're back again at my favorite gym in Edmonton. Today we're gonna do another rotation guys. Probably we're gonna do a rowing equipment machine because something a bit wrong about my neck right here, so I don't know if I got how you call that, stiff neck or something. So good morning Philippines and good afternoon Canada. Okay, let's start cracking. And as usual guys, music here is too loud. Apologies guys, there's something wrong about my selfie stick. It's not balanced to it, so I've got to fix it a bit. Pardon my delays, and as soon as I can we got start cracking. Okay, I have to relax for a bit. Probably move this camera into the other side because it looks like a little bit farther. And just gonna drink of water and then we'll continue to it. The gym today is not too bad at all, so it's better than yesterday. Yesterday it's a bit crazy yesterday. Holy, yeah, that machine is not too bad at all. First time I used that rowing machine. It was mostly good for the strength and conditioning, guys, for that nice piece of equipment. Yeah, I decided to change a bit my routine. Looks like I got a stiff neck to it. So I'm not gonna give up because that attempt that I was talking about yesterday, that 35 to 40 inches back jump that I was spelled a couple months ago, and there's another fellow YouTuber over there. So yeah, they got the high-tech gadget, and yeah, probably pretty soon I'm gonna upgrade my tools and gadget as well. Because for the past 8 months or 9 months, I was just using my two cell phone, my Samsung Galaxy X cover, and as Oppo cell phone. Okay, I was gonna drink a water for a bit. Yeah, the game today is much how you call that? It's better than yesterday because yesterday is another crazy day at the gym, and like I said, looks like I got a little bit of stiff neck to it, so I'm not gonna take a rest to it. So I rather to do. I still go at the gym, so just easy routine, and then yeah, we'll see. We'll see next week if I can still crack to it. Yeah, guys, because you know, if you feel something not too good, don't take a rest. Just take it easy and then do it in the next day. So probably will call it a day. And thank you for watching, guys. Peace out.